2025 Audi A3 Sportback. The Audi A3 heads into the 2025 model year with a sportier look, new design elements, and digital features. In addition to selectable daytime running light signatures, the ability to flexibly purchase vehicle functions anytime ensures a high degree of personalization. In addition, the standard equipment has been significantly expanded and new materials have been used for enhanced comfort. Sportier than ever, the exterior. More dynamic, more progressive, more emotional, this is how the A3 Sportback and sedan present themselves following the model upgrade. The hexagonal, frameless single frame features a new structure that is noticeably flatter and wider. It dominates the front end and, in addition to the large angular side air intakes, clearly symbolizes the compact model's sporty character. The striking front spoiler connects the two and makes the Audi A3 appear lower. The same is true of the rear, which is sportier than ever with a new bumper and distinctive diffuser. The progressive design elements are particularly effective with the S-Line exterior, as they are partly inspired by the Rs models. The expressive exterior colors District Green, Ascari Blue, and Progressive Red further strengthen the sporty look. Selectable, up to 4 different daytime running light signatures. Like the redesigned single frame, the lighting design is significantly thinner, emphasizing the width of the Audi A3 series. The 24-pixel elements that make up the digital daytime running lights in the LED and matrix LED headlights are now arranged in 3 rows on the upper edge of the housing. It is now possible to select and switch between up to 4 different digital daytime running light signatures via the MMI, the first time the models of the A3 series. This offers our customers a higher degree of personalization. They can change the expression of their model at any time. The signatures interpret self-confidence and agility in different ways, says Cesar Muntada, head of design light experience at Audi AG. This is also true for the coming home/leaving home scenarios, which were designed individually for each signature. The tail lamps also feature a progressive rear light design and new staging of the coming home/leaving home function. Significantly sharpened, the interior. To match the more expressive exterior, the interior also presents itself in a significantly sharpened form. There are quite a few alterations here, from the shifter design and air vents to the decorative fabric inlays and new interior lighting. All these elements are precise and detailed and emphasize the vehicle's progressive and technical look. Standard equipment has been significantly expanded. In addition to the 3-spoke leather steering wheel with multi-function plus, the standard equipment features air conditioning, the ambient light package, and the front center armrest. The new blade design, the outer surface of which is finished in chrome, makes the air vents in the optional climate control package appear thinner, emphasizing the width of the cockpit. The center console has been redesigned and given a new finish. The inside door handles feature a new effect finish as well. In addition to convenient cup holders, the center console also comes standard with an integrated armrest, which can be moved front or aft and tilted. The compact shifter, which can be used to conveniently access the basic functions of the S-Tronic, also presents itself in a new design. Thanks to its flatter design, it blends seamlessly into the center console. Interior lighting, included as standard, adds accents to the doors and footwells. Additional lighting elements and contour lighting on the switch panel and door sills are available as options. With the upgrade for the A3, contour lighting runs around the center console and the standard cup holders are illuminated. One new design element is that the front doors are largely illuminated. The fabric panel was laser cut 300 times to enable this feature. A light source in the door panel illuminates 5 segments from behind. They display a dynamic gradient due to their different sizes, which is also apparent when locking and unlocking the vehicle. The illuminated fabric panel combines clear functionality with a highly emotional design experience. 30 colors are selectable via the MMI, enabling a high degree of personalization. The large speakers for the new Sonos sound system are located in the lower part of the doors, making for an immersive listening experience with 3D sound. 2 decorative inlays made from textiles are also new in the Audi A3, a fabric with a technical structure made from 100% recycled polyester and the microfiber material Dinamica. In addition to its use as a decorative inlay, Dinamica serves as a seat cover and adorns the door panels in some interior packages. It looks and feels like suede but consists of recycled polyester in percentage. Highly connected, integration of apps and functions on demand. The A3 is digital and connected, thanks to numerous Connect services, functions on demand, and a store for apps. In addition to DAB and digital radio and the 10.1-inch touch display, the Audi virtual cockpit, and an inductive smartphone charger all come as standard. In addition to the 2 front USB-C charging ports in the center console, there are 2 additional ports in the rear as standard. Other optional features include MMI Navigation Plus, along with the complete Connect portfolio and access to the store for apps, which allows the driver to use a wide range of applications right on the vehicle display. Thanks to the embedded store, customers can directly and intuitively access popular third-party apps through the MMI touch display by means of a data link in the vehicle. The selected apps are installed in the A3's infotainment system, without taking a detour via the user's smartphone. Users can also interact with their apps via voice command. In addition, Amazon Alexa can be used to stream music, as well as to operate smart home devices. Functions on demand ensure a high degree of flexibility. A total of 5 individual infotainment and comfort functions can be added online via the My Audi app, even after the vehicle has been purchased. In addition to MMI Navigation Plus including Audi Connect services, the A3 can be upgraded with the smartphone interface, which integrates iOS and Android smartphones into the MMI system via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Also available are adaptive cruise control, high beam assist, and the ability to expand the standard air conditioning system with 2-zone comfort air conditioning. All functions can be booked for 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, or permanently, depending on the customer's individual needs. If, for example, a long vacation is planned with the A3, the navigation and adaptive cruise assistant are useful additions for relaxed travel on long stretches of highway and targeted guidance in unfamiliar areas. Smart aids, assistance systems for city use and long drives. Even as standard, the A3 features a high level of safety. Audi Pre-Sense Front, collision avoidance and turn assist, and the lane departure warning system help in avoiding accidents with other road users. Adaptive Cruise Assist, which assists with longitudinal and lateral control and has been supplemented by an assisted lane change function, enhances driving comfort. The system handles acceleration, braking, and steering at speeds of up to 210 km per hour, 130 miles per hour, and also assists with lane changes at speeds above 90 km per hour, 55 miles per hour, on highways. Activated via the MMI, the system uses data from the rear radar to display white arrows in the instrument panel and head-up display to indicate whether and in which direction it is possible to change lanes. If the driver initiates the lane change by tapping the turn signal, the system actively assists the driver in steering. During city driving, the Park Assist with Park Assist Plus helps the driver when parking and backing out of parking spaces through targeted steering maneuvers. The lane departure warning system, exit warning, and the cross-traffic assist monitor traffic behind and on the sides of the vehicle using the rear radar, thus further increasing safety and comfort. Available for order from March. Engine options and pricing. In Europe, the Audi A3 will initially be launched in 2 engine/transmission versions. The 35 tfsi with a 1.5-liter engine has an output of 110 kilowatts, 150 PS, and is available as an automatic version with 7-speed S-tronic and mild hybrid technology. The diesel engine is a 35 TDI with 110 kilowatts, 150 PS, and a 7-speed S-tronic. In the second quarter of 2024, more gasoline and diesel engines will follow. The A3 Sportback and A3 Sedan, which roll off the line at the Audi's plant in Ingolstadt, will be available to order from March. In Germany, the Sportback with 35 TFSI S-tronic is available from €35,650. The additional charge for the sedan is €800.